This is Elise Terzian. This is assignment 1-3, slot filling. Um, so basically, we are going off of our old assignment with the food intent, weather intent classifiers, the domain intent classifiers. Um, and now we have added the slot filler .java. So basically, this is a memory that fills what is being added into the code into slots by keywords or substrings. So here you can see our method for the extract slot values, and this method extracts both of the slots we added, bringing them back into chatbot.java. And for this method, we are using a hash table. And so basically, this is the string, which is the user input that is being entered into the chatbot. And it basically gets extracted into the hash table as the user enters it. So if we go over to chatbot.java, now you can see that the slot filler has now been added. And if we scroll down a little bit, here we go. This is basically the same thing that's saying the user input, as the user inputs what is being said, it gets called back to the chatbot.java, and the user's input is being extracted with the words. It's taking or extracting the substrings or keywords and verifying which slot it should be put in. So if we go back to slot filler, this was part of the example code, the day of the week list and the relative date list. And like as we were asked, I added the city name list, basically just based off this different code. And I have all these different cities. And then the time of day list, I have all these different times of the day, noon, 2 o'clock p.m., midnight. And then if you come down, we have the return, the result, and when everything is typed in, it's going to return it back to the main method. And then that's what's going to be ran. So I'm going to run the chatbot now. So I'm just going to ask, what is the weather in Philadelphia? And obviously Philadelphia was one of the keywords. So we get the domain equals weather, the intent equals weather report, and now we have the slot filler, which is Philadelphia. And we can do the same thing for a different city, but a different intent. So I'm going to say, what can I eat in Tokyo? So we get the domain equals food, the intent equals order food, and the slot, which is city name, equals Tokyo. And the intent scores still work the same. It's whichever is closest to 1. That's going to be the intent that is chosen. And let me do, that's the same thing here with the food and Tokyo, basically. And then I'm also going to do another one, what can I eat for dinner what can I eat at noon in Paris? So here you go. There's 2. This is food, and the intent is find food, but I use both of the slot fillers. So let's just ask some more questions. Just maybe without the city name. What can I eat at noon? Same deal. Domain equals food, intent equals find food. And then, yeah, so basically, if we go back to the slot filler, it just takes the keywords from here and goes off of that. Goes off of that to determine which slot is being used here. And then I'm just gonna do one more. Will it snow at 6 o'clock? Yeah, I have to make sure it's the same as the keyword I entered. Maybe I don't think I put it in correctly. Oh wait, yeah, I did. Okay. Yeah, for some reason it didn't give me it either, even though it's entered the same way. Let me try another one. Will it rain at it's not giving me the slot, maybe because of the... Okay, we'll just do another one. Will it rain at midnight? Okay, there we go. I think there just might be something off with those. But yeah, and that's pretty much the chatbot. So thank you.